Hey guys, so I have a morning face, so I don't look the best right now. It's really embarrassing, and I don't... When I look back at the footage of me talking on my face, I cannot look at myself. My morning face is really bad. Today, it's finally the day that we're starting our break after midterm, so we have this 1 week of break, even though it's not really a break because we have 2 days where we have classes.
All my work can get super advanced. So, it's also fun that I can skip in class too.
Guess who came? Oh my god, not my head. Guess who came? Okay, it was my birthday like 2 weeks ago, and they got my gift.
C'est juste vraiment cute. Ok, ferme tes yeux. Ok, retourne. Regarde.
Where did you guys buy it?
En plus, je l'ai dit, tu cherchais un Miffy keychain.
They know I'm obsessed with Miffy.
Tu peux le mettre sur ton sac.
Oh my god. I'm so happy! En plus, it's a studying Miffy because I love to study.
Ouais.
We also have Sonny Angels to open.
De quoi elle veut pas? On a tous le même. C'est ça qu'elle m'a
Danser.
Dans un... Ready?
Where's mine?
Here.
2, 1.
On a le même.
Non!
Oh non, j'ai pas.
But I feel like I didn't stick it enough. Like he's floating, but we don't see it.
But it's that's
Okay, which one do you guys want?
Oh, well.
Oh, I want a pen. I want the panda.
The pig or the rabbit. You want the elephant or the mouse?
Oh, the duck is so cute, and the mouse is so cute. Wait, what? The mouse?
Oui, il y a une
Oh, j'ai le duck! Oh! Actually, I don't mind. Like, I bought a mouse anyways. It wasn't one of my favorites. I actually don't mind. Now that I think about it, genre.
Oui, I don't mind.
Mama, show me there. Okay, and then I do zoom like
Wow.
aesthetic.
It was their birthday 2 weeks ago or last week, and we 3 weeks ago. Actually, what 3 weeks ago? She did such a great job at wrapping it. Oh my god! Good job! What the? Bro! Attends.
Oh, never mind. It's perfect.
Wow, guys! Fancy! I love them! Good job! Good job!
Okay,
Tu vois? We were... Yo, on a trouvé ton cadeau.
En vrai, c'est un Miffy lamp. Non, c'est des Airpod Max.
Oui, c'était AirPods.
No, I'm joking. A little bit too light for Airpod Max. But I won't question it.
Ouvre-les!
Really? Is this shoes?
Wait, I thought this is Ouvre-les! Sorry! Oui! S'il vous plaît! Essaye-les. So it? It's the shoes you wanted. Love you! Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday!
What the fuck happened? Est-ce que si c'est rouge, ça record?
Oh, t'as zoom in, you dumbass.
Je sais pas,
Oops.
Don't seem to have your reservation. What? We're fully booked, madam. You must have made a mistake.
c'est vraiment cool. Genre.
Wanna say hi? This is my little rat.
Hi!
And she brought me
Yeah,
Starbucks.
look at what I brought her. Such a nice friend. Rat.
Anyways.
No, it's fine.
Tu veux dedans?
No, I don't mind. Ça fait tellement longtemps qu'on se connaît and it's the first time I'm in her video.
Finally! We're gonna sign up for our English exit exam.
How do you sign up?
are you doing?
Where's the camera?
Here. I say this is a bye.
good.
Oh wait, my eyes is.
Oh wait. No, you only have one eye.
Wait,
Yeah.